Hi guys! So today I wanted to test out two of my cameras and figure out which one I like best for vlogging, especially outside vlogging. I have two different cameras right now. You're looking at the Canon G7x. It has a flip top, and I usually use these for the shots in the home and outside the home most of the time. Sometimes I use my cell phone, which I really hate the quality of. I don't like in this one that it doesn't have an external microphone. Now switching to another camera. And I also have this one, which is a GoPro Hero 3 Plus, which does have an external microphone, which I applied separately. And it's supposedly a stereo mic as well, so it could get a better audio quality overall. It is a different type of shot, however. As you can tell, it's like all around you and it's very stretched out. But I do wonder if the whole video is done in this format, it wouldn't be that big of a deal, because I think your eyes do adjust eventually. You do get a better shot of everything, and also just easier to carry, to be honest, because it's so small and so light. I can actually put it in my purse at all times, while the other camera is much heavier and much harder to carry with you. So we're gonna go around and take a few different shots to compare the two, and it's gonna be fun for me to watch because I needed to do a test, so I figured maybe you can help me and help me make a decision on whichever one is going to be a primary camera for me, okay? My usual sit-down vlogs, like the moon videos, or like maybe haul videos and favorites and things like that, I'm probably going to use my bigger camera anyway. But for external shots, specifically outside, I would like to pick one of the two. Okay, so let's go. So I'm in a Lotus Park. Do not know how well you can hear me. Both cameras are together. So say hello to the other camera. I just kind of put them together into one. So we're just gonna walk around and check some things out, see how everything sounds and looks. Again, one has external mic, one doesn't. So I'm gonna do them one at a time. We have this beautiful stream here. There's also a road here, so it is a winter time, so everything is a little bit dead. Not too much green, but at least we have no snow. So I just noticed this weird thing. Doesn't it look weird? Definitely looks like a person made it. We also have this really cool root system here. It's very unfortunate about the sounds, you guys, sorry. But it sounds pretty good. We live in this human society, so there will be different sounds in here. Cannot get away from it, right? Unless you go live in the woods somewhere, and then still you're gonna hear everything. Okay, so I do not know where I'm going. A little patch of green here. Very cute. I love moss. I love it. Surprisingly, Daryl cannot stand it, and I just am so in love with moss. I love moss. I love it. Surprisingly, Daryl cannot stand it, and I just am so in love with moss. Okay guys, so I hope this was enjoyable for you. Thank you so much for any feedback that you will give me. I would really appreciate it. Just want to know which one you think would work best for vlogs, especially again outside vlogs, because I'm hoping to discover much more of California in the next few years. Especially again outside vlogs, because I'm hoping to discover much more of California in the next few years, because I'm so excited about it. So just wanted to know your opinion and your thoughts on it. Which one concentrates on my face best? Which one you can hear me in better? And just overall shots, does it matter if the camera focuses or not? So please let me know. Okay? Okay. So I also wanted to test out the up close of things like flowers inside, so there's not too much noise from outside. So you can see one camera, then the second camera. I do have heat kicking in, so you might hear a little bit of background noise. But I wanted to show you these flowers. Daryl got these flowers for me the other day, and they are so beautiful. Alright, so I also wanted to test out the up close of things like flowers inside, so there's not too much noise from outside. So you can see one camera, then the second camera. I do have heat kicking in, so you might hear a little bit of background noise. But I wanted to show you these flowers. Daryl got these flowers for me the other day, and they are so beautiful.